Hello pop-uppers, this is Cheche and I have another pop-up illustration video for you. Keep watching! Let's prepare the elements that we're going to use. You can draw any illustration you want. Let's create a center crease on this flower to create a pop-up design. I will try not to fast forward any clip of this video so that you can follow easily. So just have a little patience. Then, let's create a slanting crease like these, back to back of the illustration. Then, let's fold it, following the crease that we made to make the flower fold forward. Let's glue this lower side here onto the spread. As you can see here, I already connected the other group of leaves to the big flower. Then, let's create a crease aligned with the center crease of the spread so it will fold easily when you close the spread. Then, let's connect this another group of leaves here on the upper left. But of course, you can position your illustration anywhere you like, as long as it doesn't obstruct the pop-up design. Let's create some little flowers just to fill the empty area in the center under the elevated leaves. This is how to make those little flowers. Just follow the video. Okay, so here's our simple pop-up flower illustration. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, pop-uppers. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye!